Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're back out on the trail with our 4x4 WPL D12. I'll put a link down below in the description of where you can get yourself a D12 and all the bits you'll need to convert yours to 4x4. Today we're back at Springwoods and I was really surprised at how well the D12 did, considering it's a proper 1/10 crawler course. And if you've got any questions about the truck, pop them down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like and smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Every time I use this truck, it seems to surprise me with what it can do. This course is built for a lot bigger trucks. It's a full-size 1/10 crawler course. To be honest, you've just got to pick which sections you think you might be able to do. Some bits of it you won't be able to touch. Other bits it will fly through with relative ease. Down at Springwood, you'll probably be able to find something for every size of crawler. If you're interested in coming down, you need to join the Facebook group. And then when you're a member of the group, you'll just need to give Paul, who's the owner of the course, a message. He'll give you all the details of how you can find the course, and he'll get you booked on. If you're ever going down, just drop me a message. I don't live very far away, so a possibility that I can come down as well. And it's always good to meet new people. If you made it this far, thanks for watching to the end, and hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please leave us a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.